Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by finding messages that contain the media you want to remove. Use the search bar with terms like has, attachment, or file name, JPG to narrow results fast. This helps avoid scrolling through inboxes. Once done, open a message and preview the photo or video so you confirm it's the right file. Make sure you're in the correct account and device. Removing from one account won't touch another. If multiple messages match, mark them now so you can act in bulk next. Now delete methodically. If you only need to remove the file but keep the email, download a backup, then delete the attachment from the message if Gmail shows that option. Otherwise, delete the whole message. For many items, use checkboxes in list view to select multiple conversations, then hit delete. Once moved to trash, nothing is gone until you empty trash or wait 30 days. Emptying it now frees storage instantly. Make sure you've backed up any necessary media first. Finish by checking Google Photos and any linked cloud storage because Gmail-linked uploads can remain elsewhere. If you find copies, delete them and then empty that app's bin. Back in Gmail, open Trash and choose Empty Trash now to permanently remove items. If something comes back, pause. Check other devices, apps, or third-party syncs that re-upload media. Revoke sync or sign out on those devices, then remove the file again. That clears persistent copies and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.